Hi guys, so today we're going to be looking at a GCSE chemistry question. This is quantitative chemistry, so it's basically maths, and in particular we're going to look at limiting reactant. So before we get started, we need to know what this means. It's the reactant with the fewest moles. So I'm just going to write that down. With fewest moles. In our case, it tells us that titanium chloride is the limiting reactant, which is this one here. Now, all we need to do is explain why. So we just need to calculate the moles for each one, so titanium chloride and sodium, and titanium chloride should have the least. So before we get started, let's just write out the equation, which is moles, which stands for N, is equal to mass divided by the MR, and we have the relative atomic masses over here. So let's find out titanium chloride first, which is moles is equal to, of titanium chloride is equal to the mass, which it tells us at the top is 40 kg. However, mass is measured, in this case, in grams, so we need to convert it. So it's just 40 times by 1,000. That will give us 40,000 grams. So we have 40,000 grams as the MR. Now we need to divide it. Sorry, we have 40,000 grams as the mass. Now we need to calculate the MR. In this case, the MR we can use over here. So one titanium is 48, and we add it to the chlorines. However, we have 4. So we do 35.5, as you can see over here, times that by 4, which should give us 210.5, and then we can write it as 211. Now we'll do the same for sodium. So moles of sodium. That's the mass over here, which is 20 kg. So we just need to convert 20 kg into grams. So it's the same thing. 20 times by 1,000 is equal to 20,000. So we can write the mass as 20,000 over here. Now the MR is a bit simpler. It's just 23. And that should basically give us, in my calculator, if I write this out, just 1 second, 869.5, and then we can just write that as 870. As you can see, 211 is less than 870, which is why titanium chloride is our limiting reactant. So we just need to write that down. So we can say moles of titanium chloride is 211, which is less than the moles of sodium, which is 870. Thank you for watching.